What are the 5 steps to an estate plan? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. The 5 steps to an estate plan in my office. Step 1, understanding the family dynamics. Rapport with the client. The first step in an elder law, trust and estates matter is to gain an understanding of the client's family. The dynamics. The age of the children, whether it's a first or second marriage, the relationships with the children, grandchildren, siblings. Is there a blended family situation? And who could be the trustee or the executor? And then there's other considerations as well. Step 2, reviewing the existing estate plan. The second step really is to review any prior estate planning documents that the client may have had. Such as will, trust, power of attorney, healthcare proxy, living will, to determine whether or not they're legally sufficient, whether or not they reflect the client's current wishes, or whether they're outdated. Also, some basic estate planning questions are asked at that time, and the plan that a person has may be perfect for them. We review that. Step 3, learning about the client's assets. We obtain a full list of the assets in determining with the client whether they have qualified investments, IRA, 401ks, if they have beneficiary designations, who those beneficiaries are. And with this information and with memory joggers and discussing with the client, we determine whether the estate will be subject to estate taxes. And if so, we can formulate a strategy to reduce or eliminate those taxes to the extent possible. Step 4, developing the estate plan is really, we determine with the input from the client who should be making medical decisions for the client. If they're unable to, who should be appointed to handle legal and financial affairs through the power of attorney in case of the client's incapacity. Then we consider what type of trust, if any, should be used, whether a simple will would be sufficient, who could be the trustee, who could be the executor, whether there's a trust or a will involved. All right, so that's developing the elder law portion of the estate plan. Step 5, executing and maintaining the plan. At the meeting to execute this elder plan, the documents are reviewed with the client. I give explanations. Clients' questions are answered, right? And then after execution, and whether that be signing new deeds, transferring real property into the trust, discuss with the client how to transfer title of investments and bank accounts to the trust, discuss beneficiary designations on annuities, life insurance policies, IRAs, and oftentimes the plan could include making those beneficiaries into the trust, right? So that's 5 steps to creating an elder law estate plan in my office. And at least for today, I broke it down that way. But based on questions and the relationship of the clients, this process could last as quickly or as lengthy as is necessary to get the job done. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, drop me a line, call me. We could discuss your specific plan. Thank you very much.